My dear student, welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. And my dear student, in last video I discussed about the exercise 4.1. Today I have to discuss exercise 4.2 and you have to enjoy this session. Actually I have selected 3 questions and 3 similar type of questions. Actually a rational number has been given and it has been given in your book. You can just check that. First question has been given to convert into simplest form, and third and second, these 2 questions has been given in to convert in standard form. And you know very well that in simplest form 8 minus, you have to just ignore, you have to just write down minus 8 upon 6. 8 upon 6, you know that any rational number is considered as in simplest form or irreducible form if its numerator and denominator having no other common factor than 1. Means if the SCF of numerator and denominator is 1, then it is considered as simplest form, and if it is greater than 1, then it cannot be considered as in simplest form. My dear students, 8 and 6, when you get the SCF of 8 and 6, just check 1, 6, 2, and if you have problem, then you have to learn how to find out SCF. SCF is 2. SCF of 6 and 8 is 2. It means it has highest common factor is 2. So this number cannot be considered as in simplest form. To convert into simplest form, it is your duty to divide by 2. And after division, it will be minus 4 upon 3. Now it has been converted into simplest form. My dear students, some teachers taught this one very simply, that 8 upon 6, and you have just cancelled minus 8 upon 6 by this way. 2 4 8, 2 3 6, minus 4 upon 3. This is the simplest form. Both have the similar meaning. Either you have to divide or you have to just cancel. It is also a sort of division. In case of second and third, at first you have to convert into simplest form, and second, for the standard form, you know that minus sign cannot be negative sign cannot be with the denominators. What you see in this question, minus sign, negative sign is with a numerator, so no problem. You have not to rearrange the sign. Then you have to just check this number 18 and 28, and it is not in simplest form. So you have to just divide and get it in simplest form, and it can easily be written as minus 18 upon 28. You can just divide by 2, and what you get, minus 9 upon 14. Actually this is in standard form. In this question, not only you have to divide because 36 and 24 do not have a common factor 1, and not only 1, but it has also other common factors. So you have to divide by its SCF. And second, negative sign is with the denominator, so you have to rearrange it. And how can you get? At first you have to write down minus 36 upon 24, because you know by the rule that a upon minus b can be written as minus a upon b. And now it is not in the simplest form, so you have to divide by 4 to get in simplest form. 4 9 are 36. 4 6 are 24. One more time, it may 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, and so minus 3 upon 2. Or once you can just divide it by 12. 12 3 are 36, 12 2 are 24. Once you can just divide, and the standard form is minus 3 upon 2. Now the question has been given that which of the following rationals are equal. I have just to select a questions, minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon 25. My dear student, when any sort of rational has been given, then it is your duty that at first you have to just convert into a standard form. And for the standard form, you know that both are having note in a standard form. And at first you have to just rearrange the sign. And when you rearrange the sign, then 20 upon minus 25 can be written as minus 20 upon 25. And this one is already has arranged its sign. And now either you have to convert into simplest form, and then you have to just compare both the numbers. If you convert to one, then 1a is that, one method is that you have to convert into simplest form. And when you convert into simplest form, then you know very well that minus 16 upon 20, when divided by 4, 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, minus 4 upon 5, and if you convert into simplest form, then minus 20 upon 25 must be divided by 5, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, minus 4 upon 5. Since the standard form of both the numbers are equal, minus 4 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. So both rational numbers are equal. But this is one method. Second method, when two rational number has been given in such form, is these two rational numbers are equal or not, then by the rule that you have to just by cross multiply. A is multiplied by D and you get the product. B is multiplied by C, get the product. If AD is equal to BC, then you must know that it is equal. By this method, second method, minus 16 upon 20, and second number is 20 upon minus 25. This technique can be applied when you have to just arrange the sign. In this way you can't multiply. Actually, at first you have to just rearrange the sign. Minus 16 upon 20, and a negative sign cannot be with the denominator, so you have to just rearrange in the with the numerator. And now I have just arranged the sign. Now I have to multiply numerator of the first one and denominator of the second one by cross multiplication. Minus 16 into 25, and you have to multiply. And second is in second case, denominator of the first rational numbers and numerator of the second rational numbers. And when you have to multiply 20 with minus 20, what you get? In both the cases, you get 400, and there is a minus sign, plus minus minus, plus minus minus. So final result is minus, I just write it clear way, minus 400. So product in this case minus 400 and minus 400 are equal. Since minus you have to write down just below. I have a very short board, so I have just written beside it, but you have to just write down after this one. Minus 16 into 25 is equal to 20 into minus 20, and therefore minus 16 upon 20 is equal to 20 upon minus 25. Similarly, you can just find out that which rational number is greater or smaller. I just take one example, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. Which one is greater? You have to just multiply by cross multiplication. You have to multiply the first numerator with second denominator. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then you have to multiply second denominator with the first denominator with the second numerator. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. My dear student, 4 and 15, which one is greater? Since 15 is greater than 4, or you can read it as 4 is smaller than 15, therefore 2 upon 3 is smaller than 5 upon 2. So more question you can just see that it is based on equivalent. Next question is based on the equivalent number method, and equivalent, to find out equivalent 4 upon 9. And how can you get the equivalent number? You can easily find out by multiplying with the constant number. You know that by the constant number you have to multiply numerator and with the denominator, because division is little bit difficult. So mostly a student take easy by multiplication to get the desirous numbers. So you have to multiply 4 upon 9 to its numerator and denominator by the any number that you desire. I desire 2. One more number I have to get, then I desire 3. Similarly, you know more numbers, then you multiply 4, 5, and so on. And what number you get? Actually, you get 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36, 20 upon 45, and these all rational numbers are equal. So you can just find out. In some question it has been given 4 equivalent numbers, someone has been given 5 equivalent rational numbers. So you can just multiply or divide, because in sometimes it has given that you have to just convert its numerator. One question I have just taken, I am seeing in your book that it has given that minus 4 upon 5, and in the question it has been given that change the rational number minus 4 upon 5 whose numerator is minus 8, and the numerator is minus 8. You can just see that, my dear student, 4 can be, you know that 4 convert into 8 how? By multiplying 2. So minus 4 is multiplied by 2, and you can't multiply only numerator, so you have to multiply its denominator. And now 8 upon minus 8 upon 10, so changed rational number is minus 8 upon 10. Similarly, if it hasn't given that change is numerator in 24, minus 4 upon 5, and you have to convert into 24 its numerator. And how can you convert into numerator? The 4 is multiplied by 6 to convert in 24. Whatever there is a minus sign, so you have to multiply minus with minus, and then minus change into plus, and you have to multiply minus 4 into minus 6, 5 into minus 6, and now it has been just convert 24 upon what? 5 into 6 minus 30. So it has been, its numerator has been converted into 24 upon minus 30. Hope you have just all the questions you can easily be solved. If you have any sort of problem, again I will discuss how can you just find out, arrange the rational number in ascending order and descending order. You have to enjoy, and if you like this video, then you must comment. Thank you very much.